Hello everyone! Welcome back to the go-to place for all things digital marketing. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, there's a new player that's changing the game: voice assistants. These handy devices like Alexa or Google Assistant are not just for setting reminders or playing your favorite tunes, they're reshaping the way people search for information online. And as digital marketers, we must adapt and learn to speak their language. This means rethinking our SEO strategies and learning how to optimize for voice search. It's a fascinating world where spoken queries meet search engine algorithms, and it's a terrain we should all be eager to explore. So, stick around as we delve into the intricate world of SEO for voice assistants. I'm here to guide you through the intricacies of enhancing your SEO strategy for voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Before we unravel the nitty-gritty, we need to understand the landscape. We are living in an era where convenience is king, and voice assistants are the new monarchs. From setting alarms to making purchases, voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. These sophisticated tools are not just changing how we interact with technology, but are also revolutionizing the way we search for information on the internet. Voice searches have seen a significant rise in recent years. It's estimated that roughly half of all searches will be voice searches by the end of this decade. A variety of devices are used for voice searches, from smartphones to smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home. And it's not just tech-savvy millennials who are using these devices. People of all ages, from busy professionals to older adults, find voice search handy and user-friendly. But what does this mean for businesses and SEO specialists? Well, as the prevalence of voice searches increases, so does the need for voice search optimization. Traditional SEO tactics may not cut it because voice searches are fundamentally different from typed searches. When people use voice search, they're usually speaking in a conversational tone, using natural language. They're not typing in short, choppy keywords. This shift in search behavior means that businesses and SEO specialists need to rethink their strategies. We also need to consider the fact that voice search is highly intent-driven. People often use voice search when they need immediate results or when they're on the go. For instance, someone might ask their voice assistant for the best Italian restaurant in their city while driving. This high level of intent, combined with the conversational nature of voice search, presents both challenges and opportunities for businesses. Those who can successfully optimize their online presence for voice search stand to gain a significant competitive edge. To tap into this growing market, it's essential to tailor your SEO efforts specifically for voice-based queries. In the upcoming segments, we'll delve deeper into how you can do just that, so stay tuned. One of the fundamental pillars of SEO is keywords, and the same holds true for voice search optimization. But when we're dealing with voice search, things take a slightly different turn. Let's talk about why that is. You see, when we communicate with voice assistants, we don't use the clipped, precise language we would when typing into a search bar. Instead, we use more natural conversational language. We ask questions, we make requests, we speak as if we're talking to another person. And this is where the role of keywords takes on a new dimension in voice search optimization. Keywords aren't just about single words or short phrases anymore. In the world of voice search, we're dealing with long-tail keywords, specific, often question-based phrases that users are likely to say when speaking to their voice assistants. These long-tail keywords are typically more conversational and mirror the way people naturally speak. So instead of focusing on short, choppy keywords like best pizza, think about what someone might ask their voice assistant. It could be something like, "Where can I find the best pizza near me?" And this is where your content comes in. To optimize for voice search, your content needs to anticipate these questions and provide clear, concise answers. This doesn't mean stuffing your content with question-based keywords, but rather incorporating these natural language phrases into your content in a meaningful way. This could be through a frequently asked questions section, a blog post addressing common queries, or just well-crafted content that naturally answers the questions users might ask. So the takeaway here is this: when it comes to voice search optimization, long-tail conversational keywords are your new best friends. By understanding the questions your audience is asking and incorporating those queries into your content, you're not only optimizing for voice search, but also providing valuable content that meets your audience's needs. When optimizing for voice, focus on long-tail conversational keywords that anticipate the questions users might ask. And remember, it's not just about the keywords, it's about providing valuable, relevant content that answers those questions, because ultimately, that's what both your audience and the voice assistants are looking for. Local businesses, pay attention. Voice searches often have local intent. So what does this mean for your business? When a user asks their voice assistant for a recommendation, say, "Hey Google, where's the nearest pizza place?" Or, "Alexa, find me a dry cleaner nearby." They're typically looking for local results. This is where local SEO comes into play. You see, optimizing for local voice search doesn't just mean getting your name out there. It means ensuring your business information is correct and consistent across all platforms, starting with Google My Business. This is the directory that voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa use to find and recommend local businesses. So, take a moment to verify your business name, address, phone number, and hours of operation. Also, make sure to include a brief, accurate description of your business and the services you offer. Remember, the more complete your profile, the better your chances of being recommended by voice assistants. But don't stop at Google My Business. Also check other relevant directories like Yelp, Bing Places, and Apple Maps. Consistency is key here. Ensure your business information is identical across all platforms. Finally, encourage your customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews not only boost your reputation, but also increase your visibility on voice search. After all, voice assistants are designed to recommend the best options to their users. This not only boosts your visibility, but also increases the chances of your business being recommended by voice assistants when users inquire about nearby services. Structured data markup is your secret weapon in the world of voice SEO. Now you might be wondering, what is structured data markup? Think of it as a way of organizing and labeling your content so that search engines can understand it better. It's like giving them a detailed roadmap of your website. Imagine you are a librarian with thousands of books to manage. Now, wouldn't it be easier if each book came with a detailed index, showing exactly where to find information about each topic? That's what structured data markup does for your content. It helps search engines and therefore voice assistants to understand, categorize, and display your content effectively. Now, when it comes to implementing structured data markup, schema.org is the place to go. It's a collaborative, community-driven platform that provides a collection of shared vocabularies webmasters can use to structure their data. It's like a universal language that search engines understand, making it easier for them to present your data accurately in response to voice queries. But remember, while structured data markup can significantly enhance your content's visibility, it's not a magic bullet. It's one piece of the larger SEO puzzle. Consistently creating high-quality, relevant content is still king. By providing search engines with clear, structured information about your content, you make it easier for them to understand and present your data in response to voice queries. So roll up your sleeves and start structuring your data. It's time to unleash the power of voice SEO. With the majority of voice searches coming from mobile devices, mobile optimization is non-negotiable. Let's delve into why. As our lives become increasingly intertwined with technology, our smartphones have become our go-to devices for information. This shift has made mobile optimization a key factor in SEO, especially in the realm of voice searches. Now, what does mobile optimization entail? It's all about ensuring your website is as user-friendly on a small screen as it is on a desktop. From quick loading times to easily navigable interfaces, every detail counts. But it's not just about user experience. Google has adopted a mobile-first indexing approach, which means it primarily uses the mobile version of your website for indexing and ranking. So, if your website isn't mobile-friendly, you're not just providing a poor user experience. You're also missing out on potential voice search traffic. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, as this directly impacts your voice search ranking. All right, folks, that wraps up our crash course on SEO for voice assistants. We've covered a lot of ground today, from grasping the landscape of voice searches to understanding the vital role of keywords in voice search optimization. We've emphasized the importance of local optimization and how structured data markups can be your secret weapon in the world of voice SEO. And of course, we've stressed the significance of mobile optimization, given that most voice searches come from mobile devices. As technology continues to advance, staying ahead of the curve is essential for online success. This includes adapting your SEO strategy for the growing trend of voice searches. And remember, as with any SEO efforts, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights. Until next time, this is signing off. Happy optimizing!